The property market is going to crash in 2026. This is what we hear from so many prospective customers that we speak to. Now, whilst the emotion might be real, when we pull that apart and look at the data, what we actually see is the unemployment rate in Australia for the last 2 months has stayed at 4.4% seasonally adjusted, which means there isn't mass layoffs and people struggling to make mortgage repayments. Then when we take one look deeper as well, using S&P's data, we can see mortgage arrears rates still sit around 1% nationally. That is so much lower than it was in the early 2000s. What does this mean? Well, it just means fewer than 1% or 1% of Australians are actually finding it a little bit tricky to make that mortgage repayment. That means 99% aren't. So this whole idea of mass stress, households under lots of pressure, simply isn't true or isn't backed by data. That's why we here at Handle Properties think the 2026 is going to be another fantastic year for property investors who can take action and get ahead of the market.